Hello, in this video I'm gonna do a full unboxing and overview of the EZVIZ RS2 robot vacuum and mop combo. Here I have the box. It hasn't been unboxed yet, so let's open it and see everything what's inside. So I'm gonna open it here. Then inside, underneath this styrofoam, there will be the charging base, and here is the robot itself, so we can open it easily. I'm gonna just open it like that. And inside you can see here we have the mopping pads, so we can take them out. They will be later on put on the robot. Also, there will be replacement pads in the charging base. So there are two mopping pads which spin as the robot mops. Here is the charging cord and the camera sticker. So here is the camera sticker, the charging cord. Then here are the side brushes. There are two of them, so we can just open it, and they are also attached to the robot. And here is the robot itself. I'm gonna take it out of this foil. And this is how the robot is presenting. Then let's get to the mopping station, the charging station. So let's take this styrofoam out, and here we have the quick start guide with some warranties as well. And here is the charging base. I'm gonna just quickly move the box away. And here we have the charging base. It has the water tanks at the top. This is the clean water tank and the used water tank. We can unpack them, so let's take them out. This is how it looks. You can open it here easily to empty it. And here is the clean water tank. Here is the lid that you can open to refill it. And you can also empty it as well by opening this latch. So I'm gonna close the lid here. And then, as you can also see, there is this door, which after you take this tape off, you can open, and there is a brush which you are using to clean this space for the robot. I'm gonna put it back in. Then here are the replacement pads for the mop. And to start it, you need to plug it in with the charging cord at the back, and then put the robot in here and set it up. In other videos, I'm gonna show you how to set it up and also how to perform different actions and change settings in the app. So I invite you to the other videos, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.